My name's Annette Lee, and I am a professor of astronomy and physics here at St. Cloud State University and the planetarium director. I have a master's in astrophysics from Washington University, MFA in painting from Yale University, and a bachelor's in mathematics from UC Berkeley, and a bachelor's in painting from the University of Illinois Champaign. I teach a lot of introductory astronomy for both science majors and non-science majors. I also teach the advanced astronomy classes, and I also teach native skywatchers, a new class that we're sort of bringing back. In addition to that, I am the planetarium director. And then in addition to that, I also teach at Fond du Lac Tribal and Community College. This semester I'm teaching introductory astronomy. In the future, I'll probably be teaching native skywatchers and possibly mathematics as well. I thought that I would need to kind of choose either be a scientist or be an artist. So at first, when I started out doing all the sciences and astronomy, mathematics, physics. And this was at Berkeley. The classes were huge, very fast paced. And it's at that school I had help, people that nurtured me, programs and people, I should say, like there was the minority engineering program, Upward Bound. There was something called the Math Summer Institute. There was the Office of Minority Student Affairs. So there were people, individuals, that sort of took me in and helped me feel like I could be part of the club. And that helped more than anything. And then there were programs that were in place. I guess back then it was called more of affirmative action. And there were other people of color that were taking these hard classes and struggling, and we all got together, sort of struggling together. And so it was those programs and the people that sort of gave me a community. And even though it was hard at first, because I didn't have the background from my high school that I needed to sort of be on equal footing, I put a lot of hard work, a lot of time, and because I had that outside support, I felt that they were making a place for me, and they were going to help me if I was going to do my part on the other end. That's why I think that the North Star STEM Alliance is such a great program, because it's giving those same undergraduates now the opportunity to work with me or other research professors, and it makes a huge difference. It really grabbed me. It made me feel like I had a focus where things were maybe kind of blurry before then. And it was so much fun, and getting paid as well. Yeah, the Native Skywatchers project is about really learning and communicating and really celebrating the star stories of different Native peoples. And my own tribe, being Dakota Sioux, I would start with our stories, and also my husband's Ojibwe, so I know a lot of the Ojibwe culture. And so we would start with Lakota and Ojibwe, and go and talk to the elders and try to not rely so much on the books that are out there that are often out of context and confusing, but really talk to the people. Right now I have, I think, about 5 undergraduates working with me as a part of the research team. They're learning how to use the planetarium, learning to do planetarium shows, and also we'll be helping traveling to collect the star stories and talk to people. So involving the students and then involving the community and giving back to the community is really essential to this project. My culture has helped me to stay in balance and stay sane. The way that I believe is every human being has mind, body, heart, and spirit. And as everyone knows, in science, the focus is on the mind. And so it was devastating almost. I think probably even impossible it would have been for me to try to throw out the other parts of myself in order to become a scientist. So it was culture and spirituality that rooted me and nourished me in the other ways.